Hello everybody, in this video we're going to see that how can we remove unwanted objects or unwanted things from our photos really easy. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Okay guys, so first of all, in this video we're going to use a software called wondershare photo phire. This is not at all a sponsored video. The software is really good and it's really effective, so I'm making a video on that. So when you open wondershare photo phire, you will see three options. The other two are upcoming features. So when you click on photo eraser, this is the thing in which we are going to work. So when you open that, you get four options: open, recent files, and tutorials. So if you want to edit your own photos, you can just click on open and then you can browse those files wherever they are, so it will get open. So here I have an photo in my recent file, so I will use that. There is a small tutorial which you can read or you can just skip it. So here if there are some shortcuts, like if you scroll up your mouse wheel and scroll down, so it will get zoom in and zoom out respectively, and if you press Ctrl plus mouse wheel up and mouse wheel down, the cursor size will increase or decrease respectively. So I have given the shortcuts on the screen also, which you are seeing now. There is an other option to select the cursor size, which is present on the right side of the screen. Now let's try to erase an object. So to erase, you just need to select on the pencil tool or any free crop tool. I will prefer the pencil tool, and just need to select the area which you want to erase and just click on erase. After that, you can see that some parts are remaining, so you just select it again and erase it again. Now you can see that the object is perfectly removed and no marks or anything is remaining over there. So now let's try to remove another object, which is the man over there. So we will try as perfectly as possible to highlight that. If we will highlight it properly, it will get removed properly. We will highlight the shadow also, and when we click on erase, let's see, and boom, the object is perfectly removed. Some spots are remaining. We will just highlight it again and we will erase it again. It was not visible that much, but still we need the perfect image. So the object is removed and it's looking perfect. So now we will try to remove the rock. So I will use the free crop tool to highlight the borders, and we will erase it. So guys, the border have been highlighted, so just we will click on the erase image. The rocks are not perfectly removed, so we will highlight it again and we will just erase it again. Okay, so it's now looking perfect. We will remove the whole thing which is present over there. So guys, now here if we remove the rocks near the tree, we will face a problem, which is both the border will get mixed up and it will not look good, it will look blurry. So first we will remove the tree. So let's quickly remove the tree. So guys, we have removed the tree and it's looking a bit perfect. And now we will remove the rocks slowly, because if we will remove it really quick, it will get messed up. So guys, we have finished removing the rock. Now we will remove the pillar. It will be a tough task, but we will try to remove it. We will definitely remove it. We will do it in the same way we have did it. We will remove it slowly. So guys, we have removed the pillar also. It's not that perfect, but still it is good. So now we will remove another object, which is the 2 or 3 person which are walking. So let's remove them. So guys, here we are done with our last object also. We have removed many objects like tourists, pillars, rocks, and trees, and some more. So guys, if you want, you can directly share your photos on Facebook, or you can save it in your computer. There is a save option also, so you can just save it. I will save it as edited photo .jpg, so you can just save there. And there you need to select the quality as 100% or 100, so it will be in a good quality. And you don't need to do anything in the more options. You just need to click on save, so it will be saved. You get a print options also, and you get their undo, that is Control Z. So that's pretty much for the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.